everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am packing for the crafting retreat here in Michigan in June. But I had to stop because I saw one of my friends open the new Craftibly 4.0 and my jaw dropped. I'm getting my Craftibly this weekend, but they are starting to send them out, and now's the time to order, even though they say they're pre-ordered, because they are all being shipped right now, unloaded. They're docked. They made it through customs. So guys, please head over to Craftibly. They have some amazing art, and you're going to get this plastic tube. I'm going to put a picture in here for traveling. You also are going to get this amazing eco-friendly toolkit. You are going to get a mini cover minder included and washi tape. I'm blown away. Thank you so much for my friend Rebecca for sharing. I can't wait to unbox mine and show you, but I wanted to show you some of the designs and some of the upgrades that they have done. This is a primo time to go over because we've had to wait the 3 months for the pre-orders, but you don't, even though it says pre-order. Go help them out. They bought a new warehouse so that we can keep them in business, and let's buy them out. Let's show them how much we love diamond painting, how much we love supporting artists. This is licensed artist work, and I also have videos of the Craftibly brand, the 3.0, and I was blown away then. So can't wait to see your reaction. Go check them out, and I will talk to you soon.